Good morning, party people. We're talking Algorand again. So I attended two Twitter spaces yesterday, two Algorand Twitter spaces, and we're starting to get some updates. So lots of good things happening on Algorand. We heard John Woods talking about how they're trying to create a scenario where developers don't have to learn a new language. And we talked about that because things have to be like Apple. It's got to be simple. And Algorand is saying, hey, we're going to start eyeing developers, and we want to create SDKs that make it easier for people to build on Algorand and not have to learn a language. So this is good news because it invites people to start building on Algorand or even build on another blockchain and still be able to use that on Algorand. But the big thing yesterday was healthcare. We've made videos about Algorand and healthcare, but we're starting to get some updates now. What I like about Algorand is that they are actually building stuff. It's not building hype, building actual use cases. Lots of blockchains, we only hear about games or we hear about pixelated pictures, and that's nice, but all that is temporary. It's a fad. What happens when a fad dies? It reminds me of the video game age, the arcade game age. You guys remember Pac-Man? Some of you guys might be young, but there was a time where that was like the big thing. That was all the raves. There were arcades in every store. Every store you walked into, there was a Pac-Man game. Then suddenly clones started coming out. Variations of the same game. And eventually people got bored because all the games were basically just Pac-Man games. Same thing happened with VHS. There was a time where there was a VHS store in every corner. And what happened? Eventually Blockbuster came, consolidated all, and the VHS store started to die out, and eventually Blockbuster themselves started to die out. So, but what about healthcare? Healthcare has been an issue since the beginning of time, and I doubt healthcare is going to go away in our lifetime. So it's good to see companies building on Algorand and healthcare being built on Algorand. MaPay is a company that's been working with Algorand for some time, and they are introducing healthcare to Web3, and it's being done on Algorand. And what's nice is it's no longer just an idea. It's no longer just a concept. They are putting it to work. They are working in Bermuda with the governments to let them know, hey, this is a better way to do it. Web3 is a better solution than the traditional way. It's more efficient. It saves you money. And it's just better. It's safer. And what's the good news about this is that if they can do this successfully in Bermuda, other countries might be eyeing this. I doubt something like this will happen in the USA for a while because healthcare here is, it's always been a touchy topic when it comes to politics. But in other countries where they need to start saving more of the money, countries like, say, in Latin America, start to see, hey, these guys actually did it. It's actually being done in Bermuda, and we want to try it here, are more willing to try it. And if it starts taking off in Bermuda, it starts taking off in Latin America, starts taking off in Africa, eventually the rest of the world will see that, hey, Web3 is the solution. We want to get on board. So this is good news for everyone. And until next time, guys, peace out, safe investing.